here at the Dayton Bike Yard. It's our summerly visit to Dayton, and now summerly, annually bike yard. The Dayton Bike Yard is amazing. I just climbed up this mountain. It's not a mountain, but it feels like when you get up here. We got two over here, a green and a blue. We got a black and a blue over here. We got the jump line down there. Also an outer track that goes around the whole place. Picks back up again over there. So we'll try that. I've never actually gone down this little line over here, so we're gonna try that next. Okay. Dayton Bike Yard. This place is rad. That's a little bit over my pay grade. I may try this side, but probably not. I cased it pretty hard on my dirt jumper last time, so I would expect worse out of it this time. But we're just gonna keep it on my skill level, which is cool. This place is for everyone. It's, you know, the pros. I'm not a pro. I'm not good, but I enjoy the sport. It's like 90 degrees out too. Val's waiting on me. I really only have like 40 minutes total. This is the Dayton Bike Yard. I'm gonna go enjoy what I can while I can, and let's ride. I'm gonna do the roller, the rover beginner. For beginners. It's a bunch of berms. More bounce to the ounce. The Rock Skills Trail is a natural surface track designed to challenge riders of all skill levels, with technical features including rock gardens, bridges, and boulders. Ride at your own risk. We're at the Funky Worm. Trails resemble traditional natural surface trails that most mountain bikers are familiar with and include technical trail features including stone, rock, as well as prefab skills elements to help riders work on their techniques and riding skills. Ride at your own risk. This whole park is ride at your own risk, and you know, Dayton Bike Yard is where it's at. And mind you, I'm on a BMX. Sure you can tell. And this is new since the last time I was here. Last time I was here, I only spent 40 minutes here also. So, but I hurt myself pretty bad. I'm not even sure how. Dayton Bike Yard is amazing. Love this place. I wish it was closer to home. I could really dial in that jump line, which I pretty much kind of did. Just need more time on it, and I'm missing like 2 of them. So I think I could get them if I had more practice. I'm not even gonna try the line behind me, the 2 lines behind me. Above my pay grade. But I love these 2. The gyroscope is fun. Rover was cool. It's not really a jump line, but it was fun. Good way to hone your skills in. So that's it. We're right here at the Dayton Bike Yard. This place is rad, and we'll see you on the next ride. Don't forget, we have t-shirts, hats, cups, coffee mugs, stickers, all available. All I gotta do is read the commercial website and go check it out. And we'll see you on the next ride. So thank you. So let's ride shirts now available. Cop it before you cops you. Later. Available. T-shirts now available.